Hi guys, it's me again, the avashofa of your life. So today I'm going to show you how to make milk tea at home. It's going to be very easy and cheap, promise. You will need milk, black tea, tapioca pearls, and muscovado sugar. First, you just pour your tapioca pearls in a pot of boiling hot water, and if you're curious, you can buy this in Ungkin King. And then just stir para dili siya ma-stick sa bottom. And after maybe 30 to 40 minutes, your tapioca pearls should be done. And once you're done, just turn off the heat and leave it there for maybe 15 minutes to cool off. Next, ready 1, no 2, no 3, black tea, and steep it for maybe 5 to 10 minutes for that tea-ish flavor. Bitaw, depende bitaw sa inyong taste buds, guys. Strain your tapioca pearls and maybe leave some liquid para na isabaw-sabaw inyong pearls later. Then you're going to add sugar, maybe 1, 2, no 3 scoop for a sweet, and then you just mix it well. Yes, sige, mix it siya. And then after that, you get ready with your egg pudding. Maybe I'll show you later or sa next video how to make egg pudding. Yes. Alright, once you're done with that, then going to add your tapioca pearls. Yes. Just let it slide from the tip of the glass going down para na siya design ba na brown sugar, milk tea chucho sa mga milk tea stores. O, diba? Very nice ang presentation, mga friends. And then, once you're done with that, okay, add patag isa kay sweet payata. SHIMAAAA. Alright, there you go, guys. So now we're ready with our shaker. We're just going to add ice, and after adding some ice, we're going to pour in now our black tea. Without a tea bag ha, ang black tea ra. Then after that, we're going to mix as well our milk. Kay milk tea biya siya, diba? Milk oat tea. Okay, after that, we're just going to cover our shaker and then i-shake na mura kag nagkirig-kirig. And then after that, we're going to pour our milk tea into the glass. Sorry guys, I'm not professional, so medyo dirty siya gamay ang surroundings. And for the finishing touch, we're going to add our stainless steel straw because I love Mother Nature. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Milk tea made with love from home. Very easy and cheap. And also best shared with your loved one. Look at that smile. And again, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!